Hello everybody. In this video, we'll see the most powerful reversal strategy in the market because of its lower risk and higher reward setup. Okay, we'll see the strategy first. You have to look for the pattern where the stock makes the higher highs on a consecutively. Okay, and when this consecutive higher highs broke down, then it is a reversal and the stock will go drastically down. So you have to take a sell position here. Similarly, when the stock make lower lows on a consecutive basis, wait for the proper reversal pattern on the downside and then take a buy call. It will go upside. Here the stop loss will be the entry candles low, sorry, entry candles high, and here it will be the entry candles low. The first target is the length of the higher highs, and here length of the lower lows, that is the target one. Assume the length is 100, then target one is 100 rupees on the downside and target 2 is 200. Similarly, on the lower lows, target 1 will be 100 and target 2 will be 100. Okay. So this number of higher highs and lower lows should be in the range of 8 to 12, and you should not use this strategy for intraday because there is a higher possibility of that consecutive higher highs and lower lows going above 15 or 20 as well. So try to use this strategy only for swing trading purpose. Okay. We'll see the strategy with examples. See here, it makes lower lows 1 2 3 4 5. Ignore this because this is not lower low. 6, ignore this and this. 7, then 8, 9 and 10, and see the breakout candle. Here the length is close to 350, so your target one should be 350 on upside, so it will come somewhere close to here, and target 2 is another 350, so that will come close to here. So we have reached the target of 700 using this strategy. And see the stop loss. This is the stop loss is the low of the entry candle, which never touched for more than 6 months, and the length of the entry candle is close to 80. Okay, so this is your risk reward ratio. You are taking the risk of 80 rupees and getting rewarded with 700 rupees. That's the reason this is the most powerful strategy, most powerful reversal strategy in the market. And see this pattern formed within a month. Okay, and when it took a reversal, and see the length of the period as well. Okay, even though the reversal I mean the higher rise was formed in a short span of time, but the reversal, the uptrend was there for long period. Okay, that's a one more advantage of this strategy. This is a higher highs. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9 10 11, and you can see the engulfing pattern here. You can keep the stop loss here. Here the height of the higher highs should be close to 400. Okay, so first target is 400, second target is 800, and third target is 1200. Okay, that's how we have to trade this strategy. See here also, if you take a risk reward, the height of the entry candle is close to 100. Okay, so 1000 this is 1000 to 3200 to here it is close to 2300. So how many points? It's 900 in this chart. So the risk reward ratio is 1:9. You are taking 100 rupees risk and you are getting rewarded with 900 rupees reward. Okay, same as the previous example, the higher highs was formed in a month, and then see the reversal pattern. The stock was in a downtrend for more than 5-6 months. Okay, if you are like starters or try to begin your trading, then this kind of strategy you should start with. You can start with even one or two stocks and then get experience of the advantage of these kind of strategies and then take a higher exposure. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.